This is an example video for the topic multiplying binomials using the vertical cross multiplication method. In other videos, we have showed how to multiply two binomials using the FOIL method. F standing for first terms, O standing for outer terms, I standing for inner terms, and L standing for last terms. So the problem that we have that we were supposed to work on is 2x plus 1 times x plus 3. Using the FOIL method, we'd start with the first terms. We multiply the first two terms together. We'd have 2x squared. Then we multiply the outer terms for O. We'd have plus 6x. We multiply the inner terms, 1 times x, plus x. Then we multiply the last terms, 1 times 3, plus 3. We combine these two like terms together, 6x plus x, leaving us with 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. And that is the final answer. Now, FOIL is a mnemonic device that helps us to memorize how to multiply binomials. What this really does is it distributes each term of each polynomial together. Sometimes it's called the double distributive method. There are other methods to multiply two binomials together. The one we're going to look at now is the vertical cross multiplication method. So instead of writing these two polynomials side by side, we'll write them like this. 2x plus 1 times x plus 3. Recall, this is very similar to the traditional way to multiply large numbers with pencil and paper. What if we had the two numbers 53 times 32? What we did was we multiplied 3 times 2, the outside term's here, 6, and then you multiply the 2 times the 5, and you get 10. Then we multiply this number here, 3 times the 3 there, 9, and then 3 times 5, 15. And then we would add these numbers together. 6, 0 plus 9 is 9, 1 plus 5 is 6, 1 plus, this is a 0 here, 1, leaving us with 1,696. This is the traditional method for multiplying large numbers together. We'll do the same exact thing with these two binomials, which is why we say cross multiplication. So just similar to this here, we started with the 3 and the 2, we multiplied them together. So we'll take the 1 multiplied by the 3, and we get 3. Then, like how we took the 2 here and multiplied it by 5, take the 3 here and multiply it by 2x. 3 times 2x is 6x. We'll just put a plus sign there to show that they're added together. Then similar to here, how we took the 3 and multiplied it by 3, and we got a 9 and we put it under the second number here. We take the x and multiply by this 1, leaving us with x, and we put it under the 6x, because it's a like term. They're both x terms. And then the last thing we do, similar to traditional multiplication, we took the 3 times 5. So these first two numbers and multiplied them. Well, here we have an x and a 2x. So we multiply them together to have 2x squared. Again, we put a plus sign there to show they're added together. And then add like terms. 3, 6x plus 1x is 7x. And 2x squared plus nothing is still 2x squared. As we can see, this is the same answer that we got here. And when we think about this, these two methods really did the same thing. With this cross multiplication, it was more of a technical method, but still, we multiplied the last terms here, and then 3 times 2x, those are the outer terms. The x times 1, those are the inner terms, and then 2x times x, those are the first terms. So we still did all the parts of the FOIL, we just had them mixed up. But like I said before, the FOIL method is a mnemonic device. It's like a word that we can memorize. We can always have that word FOIL in our head, and so we always know how to do this quickly and save time and save space. But if we want to know other methods, this cross multiplication method is a very useful one.